Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video will demonstrate how to use the CUAV PMU 2 Lite Power Module to power the CUAV V6X Flight Controller. PMU 2 Lite is a power management module designed for unmanned system devices. It is equipped with an STM32H5 processor, runs self-developed M4C architecture software, and adopts the ITT3 temperature impedance tracking algorithm, which enables real-time and precise measurement of voltage and current. It supports a wide input voltage range from 20V to 70V and current measurement up to 220A. Pixhawk V6X is a new generation of Pixhawk jointly developed by CUAV and PX4. It is designed based on the Pixhawk FMU V6X standard and focuses on ultimate security and stability. It features an H7 dual precision floating point arithmetic unit, a Cortex M3 coprocessor, independent bus and power supply. This video is divided into 3 parts. What products are used in this test? How to connect the wiring. How to demonstrate the setup. What products are used in this test? The products used in this wiring test are CUAV PMU 2 Lite Power Module, CUAV V6X Flight Controller, Skydroid G20 Remote Controller, and Tata 16,000 mAh battery. The cables used in this test are QS8S to JST adapter cable, flight controller power cable, G20S.bus plus Telum cable and receiver power cable. How to connect the wiring. The Telum 1 SBUS port of the G20 receiver connects to the RC port and Telum port of the V6X flight controller. The connector for the G20 receiver Telum 1 SBUS port is GH1.255 pin. The connector for the V6X flight controller telemetry port is GH1.256 pin. And the connector for the V6X flight controller RC port is GH1.255 pin. The power port of the PMU 2 Lite Power Module connects to the Power C port of the V6X flight controller using the flight controller power cable. The PMU 2 Lite Power Module connects to the battery to supply power to the flight controller. The S8S to JST adapter cable connects the power module. And the receiver power cable provides power to the G20 receiver. The connector for the G20 receiver is XT30. How to demonstrate the setup. Open QGC ground station. Click on the communication connection, and connect the V6X to QGC ground station. By clicking on the battery icon, you can view the battery status. When moving the flight controller, you can see its real-time status displayed on the ground station. Click the upper left menu to enter the settings and open the RC calibration interface. By moving the remote controller sticks, you can confirm that the S.bus control works properly. The flight controller power supply is functioning normally. Use a USB cable to connect the flight controller to the computer. When the flight controller connects to the MP ground station, no parameter setup is required. It is plug-and-play, and the battery voltage and capacity can be displayed directly. Next, use a multimeter to measure the actual battery voltage. The voltage difference between the multimeter and the ground station reading is about 0.1 V. This concludes our tutorial video on using the CUAV PMU 2 Lite Power Module to power the CUAV V6X Flight Controller. Thank you for watching and for your continued support. If you have any questions about the content or would like us to go into more detail in future videos, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.